Here we have a piece of 1x4 in SPF, spruce pine fir, and we're about to do the layout for the bandsaw accuracy test. So this wood is 3.5 inches wide and 3/4 of an inch thick, called 1x4. So to draw a circle on here, using up as much of the available wood as possible, I'm going to choose to set a radius of just less than half of 3.5 inches. In this case, 1 5/8 inches. I'll go as close as I can to the edge. I'm well away from knots, well away from any other obstructions, and it looks like that's going to work well. At this stage, before changing the setting on the compass, you can take the compass and draw arcs just to cut the circumference of the circle. We're close, we're not quite around for 6. And then we can change this to approximately 3/4 of an inch. So come away from the end of the tape and bring it down to 3/4 of an inch. And we're going to draw the inner circle. And you're going to, when you try to cut this, you're not going to want to cut the circle at all. Now we're going to draw almost diameters across here, but leave the circle in the middle. So I've lined myself up with the dots on the outside going through the center of the circle. And I'm going to draw as long a line as I can outside. Stop at the inner circle, continue through. I went through, just say try not to do that. One way to not go through the circle is, in fact, to start from the inside circle and go out. When I've done this, I'm going to mark the joining of those two sections, and you can mark that off as waste. You're going to be cutting that off on the bandsaw as well. You'll want to do that and make sure that you leave the line in your cut so that the line is still visible to prove that it's a straight cut. If you remove the line, you won't have the evidence that that was a straight cut. I'm also drawing the waist on the outside of the cut line instead of doing it on the inside. So if I do make a mistake, I don't mark that inside piece, which I want left clean. Good. And then here you can welcome to write your name and the date.